Hey guys, this is Jen from the teen department, and today I will show you how to make a fall wreath. So I have this round cardboard, some twine, and some assorted fall decorations, and you can get all of these at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or on Amazon. And first thing I did was I used some hot glue, and I glued all the leaves here around the base, and I just alternated between different colors. And then after that, I went ahead and glued some acorns, pumpkins, and some of the smaller leaves around the top. And after I did that, I just used some twine at the top to kind of hold it steady, and that's about it. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!